Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rashmi and you're watching myGlamUSA. Guys, I'm here with a very easy and simple remedy today which will only require one ingredient from your kitchen. We all have it in our fridge at all times. It's very easy to do and it's gonna do so many things for your face. It will lift off your dead skin, exfoliate your face for you. It will lift off your blackheads, your whiteheads also, and it will also help you in removal of your hair from your face. The hair removal is not going to be so drastic, but the blackhead removal and your dead skin removal is going to be fantastic. At the same time, it will give you anti-aging benefits because it will help tighten your skin and it will help you, with the fine lines and wrinkles, and it will help you tighten your skin and make it look younger. So plus it will make your skin glow as well. So before we begin with the video, as always, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video, and let's get started. So the one and only ingredient that you need is the white of an egg, just the egg white. I have kind of beat it up a little bit to make it frothy, and this is not even the full egg. This is like maybe half the egg because we don't need all of it. So just take the white of an egg and kind of beat it up to get a bit of a froth. We don't need much froth, just a little bit. So the first thing we will do is we'll take a brush. On clean skin, we will start applying the egg white like so. Okay. Next thing we need is some tissue paper. Now this is just the regular tissue paper from the tissue box, okay? I have cut it up. I cut up the whole tissue into small pieces like this. You can even use toilet paper because that's what the size of the toilet paper is, like. And then this is a 2-ply. So we need to separate the tissue paper into 2 parts because we need it to be thinner. So we're just gonna separate it like this. And then while the egg is still wet, I'm gonna apply it to my face. So I'm gonna go over this with another layer of tissue paper. Make sure you just do small sections. Don't put the egg all over your face and then do the tissue paper at once because it dries up very fast. So we wanna do this in small sections. So I'm done putting the tissue and the egg on my face. Guys, don't make the layer too thick. I have used 1.5 tissue. I still have half a tissue remaining. This is the 2-ply, the double tissue. It's still remaining. I used 1.5 tissue. I cut it up into pieces and I separated them. So that's how much it took to cover all of this. If you make it too thick, then it's going to be really hard to pull off and it will hurt you. So this should take about 10 or 15 minutes to dry, and once it's dry, I'll come back and show you. So guys, I'm back. I waited about 20 minutes, but it was still not dry in my T-zone. It still felt like it was wet near my nose and my forehead area. So then I just stood in front of the fan for about 5-6 minutes. So I've had this on my face for about 30 minutes now, and it's completely dry, and I'm about to start peeling it off. Always peel off your mask in the upward direction and be very gentle. I'm just slowly trying to peel it off, and actually I was expecting it to be quite hurtful and painful because it was supposed to pull off my hair, but it's not that painful. It's pretty okay. It's coming off very easily, but I can still feel that it is pulling on my skin. So my dead skin is definitely getting lifted off, and so are my blackheads on my nose. As you can see, I'm peeling off my nose at this point, and it came off pretty easily. So guys, the mask is off and it feels pretty good. My skin feels very tight and refreshed at the same time, and it's become very soft because of the blackheads that came off. You can even leave it on for longer if you want more results, better results, and feels pretty good. So one tip, if you have acne, then try not to be aggressive with your skin, like the pulling motion. Try to not pull on those areas where you have acne, because you don't want to aggravate your acne. And otherwise, if you have normal skin, then you have nothing to worry about. Just, pull it off, no problem. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button for this video. And until next time, I'll see you all again. Bye bye.